Yeah, that corn is cornier looking than some of the other corn I've seen. Half mile, turn right. Is banked the wrong way. 900 feet. Not there. Not there. Turn right into the river there. Okay. All right. All right, I turned right, but that didn't really do anything. George's Creek Road is next. Feet, and we're gonna take that little dog leg to the left there. Be left, she says. Somebody tried to make it say 80, and then someone came and made a correction in case anybody was fooled. Stop sign for me. Gunpowder Road. I remember Gunpowder Road on the map. Nobody's coming. Hidden Ridge Farm, 18301, Gunpowder. Beautiful road. Lots of blind turns, lots of houses. Got to be careful. Pecker in front of me. It's gonna suck. Dig it, baby. Nice road. Nice twisty road. With a stop sign in front of me. And I might be able to overtake this guy if he's going straight. Stop. No, he's not going straight. Beautiful. St. Abraham. Was there a Saint? I never heard of St. Abraham. Okay, 2.5 miles of par excellence. Excellent. This is still Gunpowder Road. Good choice, brother. Good route plan. Love it. nice road. Gunpowder. Some shit on it. Now 19400 Gunpowder. Okay, a little windy here, and that's cool, whatever that is. Mott Mill, 1918. Awesome. Gunpowder Road, quarter mile. Okay, the end of the road, turn right. Gunpowder that way, church that way. I'm gonna blow the stop sign. There's a St. Louis stop there. I stopped preemptively in my head. And then I started. Doing my part to combat global warming by not stopping at the stop sign. After 1/2 mile, I think she said, turn left. Quarter mile, Gunpowder Road. Still, and we're still on Gunpowder Road. And Blind Hill, always nice. And the roads are wet, so I guess it rained here. And it hasn't gotten enough sun to dry out yet. Turn left. Road. Nope, I'm going to go straight here. Still Gunpowder Road. Hoffman Paper Mills. There's a deer in the back of that cemetery. There's some cars gathered for something. Is there a trailhead here or something? They're parked for some reason. No! Beautiful road. Beautiful road. Gunpowder Road, 3 miles. I have motorcycling bliss. Miles. Now out into the open. All right, now we're going to turn on Pennsylvania because I see the little Keystone logo thing there that Pennsylvania is so proud of. Pennsylvania 851 Stelch Road in 1 3/4 mile. Great road, Gunpowder Road. Love it. Oh, a squirrel. 1 1/4. Oops. Did I unplug? No, I'm still plugged in. Yeah, plugged in. All right, 3/4 mile. I just went through a waypoint. Stelch Road. Mayhem Lane. End of the road, turn right, which is coming up about 500 feet. And house washing.